Təbiıt Günü or Doğa Günü. Our people have 4 çarşamba akşamı celebrations before Novruz and 2-week celebrations after Spring Bayramı or Novruz. They named the 6th day Umud Day and the day at the end of the 2nd week Doğa Day. Doğa Day or Təbiıt Günü happens on the 13th day of Spring Bayramı. In some cultures, number 13 is an unlucky number. Unlucky 13 can root in Christianity. The betrayer of Jesus Christ, Judas, was the 13th to sit at the table of the Last Supper. Although based on some common beliefs, number 13 could be unlucky, it is not unlucky in Turkic cultures. Sumerians and Egyptians used to celebrate first 12 days of spring because of 12 months of the year. Gezi Günü, Təbiıt Günü or Doğa Günü in Azerbaijani Turkic culture is equivalent to Sizdah in Iranian Persian culture. It is 13 days after Spring Bayramı and is celebrated by some from the Republic of Azerbaijan and Iran today. This day is not celebrated in other Persian cultures like Afghanis or Tajiki people. Turkic people from Turkey also do not celebrate this day. On Doğa Day, people used to go out and celebrate this day in nature by preparing doğa aşı and leaving their samani or göy in a river or çay. Some people still do this beautiful tradition. It is customary to make a wish while leaving the samani to the water and hoping that your wish would be granted in the coming year. People would tie the samani or göy and read bayati poems or poems like this one. Yadında saxla bu günü, Tanrıya söyle sözünü. Açıl bəxtim, maçıl bəxtim, 7 kərən vurduğunu, doğa aşı doğa günü, 2 keçən 7 günü. 7 yerə düğünlərəm, bəxtim açılsın deyərəm. And when pouring salt in doğa aşı, they would pray that everyone would be safe and sound in the upcoming year. Doğa aşı or Ayran aşı is popular in Azerbaijan and it is named after this very day.